Problem set 1.4. First question. We have two equations given here. 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15 and 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. So as you can see that x and y are in denominator form, we will try to make these equation little easier. So here it's not mentioned by which method we need to solve. So as we are trying to make the equations in standard form and little easier, let's substitute a is equal to 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y in both the equations. As we will put a is equal to 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y in the equations. So first equation, which is 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. So if we put a is equal to 1 upon x, which is therefore this 2 upon x can also be written as 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 upon y can also be written as 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 15. So this will become equation as 2a, which is 1 upon x is 2a, 1 upon x is a, 2 into 1 upon x is 2 into a, minus 3 into 1 upon y is b is equal to 5. Let us mark this as equation number 3 because this is equation number 1 which we have been given, and this we will mark as equation number 2 which is given in the question. So now we got equation number 3 for the by substituting a is equal to 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y. Now we will substitute a equal to 1 upon x and b equal to 1 upon y in equation 2. Substitute a is equal to 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y in equation 2. So that will give us, which is 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77, which can also be written as 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 77. So it will become 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. Okay, this will be equation number 4. Now we need to first find out value of a and b. Okay, so multiply equation number 3 by number 4. Okay, why we are multiplying this equation by number 4? Because this 2a, if we multiply by this 2 by number 4, we will get 8a. So it will become easier for us to solve it further. Next step, multiply equation 3 by number 4. So what is equation 3? 2a minus 3b is equal to 5. This we are multiplying by 4. 2 into 4 is 8a minus 3 into 4 is 12b is equal to, this is 15, sorry, here it is 15. 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. So 15 into 4 is 60. Mark this as equation number 5. Now subtract equation 5 from 4, equation number 4. What is equation number 4? 8a plus 5b is equal to 77, and we have to subtract this 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. As it is minus sign, as it is a subtraction, here the sign will get changed. 8 will become minus 8a, plus 12 will become minus 12 will become plus 12, and plus 60 will become minus 60. So on solving this, we will get 8a and plus 8a and minus 8a will get cancelled. Plus 12 and 5 plus 5 is plus 17, that is 17b is equal to 77 minus 60 is 17. So b is equal to 17 upon 17. So we got value of b is 1. Okay. Now we got b, we need to find value of a. So what we will do? We will now substitute b is equal to 1 in equation 3. What is equation 3? 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. So 2a minus 3, what is b? B is 1 is equal to 15. So 2a minus 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to 15. So this 2a is equal to 15. This minus, when this minus 3 comes to the right hand side, it will become plus 3. So 2a is equal to 18 and a is equal to 18 upon 2. So we got value of a is 2 ones are 2 nines are 18. A is equal to 9. Now we got value of a and b. But in the equation we had 1 upon x and 1 upon y. Yeah, here 2, that is 2 upon x minus 3 upon y. So we will now resubstitute value of a and b in equation 1 and 2. Here resubstituting, so a is equal to 1 upon x, which is a is equal to 9, and b is equal to 1 upon y, which is 1. So we now found the value of x and y. How? So this x is nothing but 1 upon 9 and y is 1 upon 1, which is 1. Therefore the solution is x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. Now we will move to second question of 1.4. In second question we have two equations given. The first one is 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. Let us mark this as equation 1. The second equation is 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Let us mark this as equation number 2. So here we need to find value of x and y. What we will do here, we have x plus y common in both the equation and x minus y common in both the equation. So we will substitute a is equal to 1 upon x plus y and b is equal to 1 upon x minus y. We will put these values in both the equation. Why we are putting this value? Because we need to get simple equations. Because if we get simple equation, it will become easier for us to get the values. After substituting, we get new equation, which is 10a. Why 10a? Because 10 into 1 upon x plus y is a, plus 2 upon x minus y will give us 2b is equal to 4. This we got from equation 1. Let us mark this as equation number 3. So from equation number 2, 15 upon x plus y is a minus 5 upon x minus y, 1 upon x minus y is b is equal to minus 2. We will mark this as equation number 4. Now what we will do, see here, this is 10 and this is 15 here. So here to match this equations, we will multiply this equation number 3 by number 5. Okay. Multiply equation 3 by number 5. So what is equation number 3? 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. When we multiply this equation number by number 5, we will get 5 into 10 is 50a plus 5 into 2 is 10b is equal to 5 into 4 is 20. This we will mark as equation number 5. Now we will multiply equation number 4 by number 2. This is equation number 4. We will multiply this by equation by number 2. Why we will multiply this by 2? Because 5 into 5 into 2 will give us 2, will give us 10, which we will get already in equation 5. So when we multiply equation number 4, which is 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2 into number 2. So 2 into 15 will give us 30a minus 2 into 15 is 10b is equal to 2 into 2 is 4, and sign this is minus this plus. So plus into minus is minus. This is minus 4. We will mark this as equation number 6. Now if you see equation number 4 and equation number 6, sorry, equation number 5 and equation number 6, we have 10b common in both the equations. So this becomes easier for us to add or subtract. Let us add it because both have opposite signs here, so addition will become easier. Adding equation 5 and equation 6. What is equation 5? 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. Add equation number 6, 30a plus, sorry, this is minus sign here, 10b is equal to minus 4. What will this give us? 50a minus 30a is, so 50a plus 30a, we are adding it, 80a, this plus into minus, plus 10 and minus 10 will get cancelled, this is 0, and here we will get 20 minus 4 will give us 16. So here put x is equal to 3 in equation 7. What is equation 7? X plus y is equal to 5. This is equation number 7. X is equal to 3 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5 minus 3. And here we got y is equal to 2. So now we were able to find value of x and y where x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. This is the solution of given equations. Now we will start with question number 3. Two equations are given here. Let us mark the equations as number 1 and number 2. First equation is 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. Mark this as number 1. Second equation is 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Mark this as equation number 2. So here we have 1 upon x minus 2 and 1 upon y plus 3 common in both the equation. So we will substitute a is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 and b is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. We will put this in both the equations. After putting the values of a and b, we get new equations which is 27. This first equation can also be written as 1 upon x minus 2 plus 31 into 1 upon y plus 3. This is the first equation, no? So after putting a equal to 1 upon x minus 2, we get 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. This is the third equation. This is the new equation that we got. Now in second equation, we will do the same thing. What is second equation? 31 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 into 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. So after putting the value, we get new equation 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. We will mark this as equation number 4. Now what we will do, we will add both equations, equation 3 and equation 4. The new equations that we got, we will add those equations. Remember, whenever there is opposite numeral and numerical and denominator are same, then try to add the equations. So here 27a and here in second equation it is 27b. And in first if you see 31b and in second equation you will see 31a. So we will try to add it. Okay, third equation is 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. Add 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. When we add it, we get 58a plus 58b is equal to 174. As we have 58 common and even 174 comes in table of 58, what we will do, we will divide it We will divide both sides by 58. When we divide it, we get 58a upon 58 plus this 58b upon 58 is equal to 174 divided by 58. Okay, so what we will get? We get a plus this 58 gets cancelled, b by 58 ones are 58 ones are. Now 58 ones are 58 threes are 174. So we now got another equation, a plus b is equal to 3. We will mark this as equation number 5. Now what we will do? We will try to subtract the equations. Subtract equation 3 from equation 4. So what it is? 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Why we are subtracting equation 3 from 4? Because in equation 3 we have 85 and in equation 4 we have 89. So 89 is bigger than 85. That is the reason we are subtracting equation number 3 from equation 4. Here it is minus 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. When we subtract, these signs gets changed. Plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. All were positive, so we get 31 minus 27 is 4a minus 4b is equal to 4. Now if you see, 4 is common in all the places, so we will divide both the sides by 4. Okay, if we divide both sides by number 4. Okay, after dividing it, 4a upon 4 minus 4b upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 4. We get 4 ones are a minus b is equal to 1. So now we have a minus b is equal to 1. Let us mark this as equation number 6. In earlier we got a plus b equal to 3. Now we got a minus b is equal to 1. So what we will do? We will add equation 5 and equation 6. On adding, a plus b, which is equation number 5, a plus b equal to 3, and equation number 6, a minus b is equal to 1. What we get? This opposite signs gets cancelled. We get a plus a is 2a is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So here a is equal to 4 upon 2. We get value of a is equal to 2. Now we will put this value in equation 5. Put a is equal to 2 in equation 5. We can put in any equation, 5 or 6. Okay, a is 2. What is equation number 5? Equation number 5 is a plus b is equal to 3. So a is 2 plus b is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3. When this plus 2 comes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 2. We get value of b is equal to 1. As we got value of a and b, we had to find value of x and y, right? So we will resubstitute value of a and b. Therefore, as a is equal to x, 1 upon x minus 2. Therefore, value of a, what we got a is 2 is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. Therefore, we will cross multiply this. Yeah. So 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 1. Solve this now. 2 into x is 2x. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, 2x is equal to 1 plus 4. This minus 4 comes to the right hand side. It becomes plus 4. Therefore, x is equal to 5 upon 2. This 2 will come downwards, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So we got value of x as 5 upon 2. Now we will find value of b. What was b? B, we took b as 1 upon y plus 3. So what is b? B is number 1 we got. So 1 upon y plus 3. Cross multiply this. 1 into y plus 3 is equal to 1. So 1 into y is y plus 1 into 3 is 3 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. This plus 3 comes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 3. So y we got as minus 2. So plus 1 and minus 3 is minus. Plus into minus is minus. 3 minus 1 is 2. Sign of the bigger number minus. It is y is minus 2. Therefore, finally we got x comma y is equal to 5 upon 2 comma minus 2. This is the solution. Moving on to next question. If you see there are multiple numbers in the equations, so you do not need to hesitate by looking at the equation. Just try to make the equations little simpler. So first write down the given equations here. First equation is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. Mark this as equation 1. Second equation is 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 8. Mark this as equation number 2. If you see, 1 upon 3x plus y is common in both the equations, and 1 upon 3x minus y is common in both the equations. So we will put a is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and b is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y in given equations. Okay, put a is equal to this and b is equal to this in given equations. What we get from the first equation is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. Therefore, what we get, a is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. This is a, plus what is b is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. So a plus b is 3 upon 4. Mark this as equation number 3. Okay. Now second equation. What is the second equation? 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to 1. This is minus 1 upon 8. Please note down the signs while writing down the equations. Here we forgot to write down minus sign. Okay. So 1 upon 3x plus y, what we will get it as? But we have number 2 in the denominator. So this is 2a. Okay. 2 into 1 upon 3x plus y minus this will become 2 into b is equal to, sorry, what it will become? This will not be, this is 2 is in the denominator. So a upon 2 minus this will be b upon 2, because 2 is in the denominator, not in the numerator. If 2 was in the numerator, we could have write down 2a and 2b is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Mark this as equation number 4. Now what we will do is we will multiply equation number 3 by number 4. This is equation number 3 and we have 4 in the denominator. Okay, so we will multiply equation 3 by number 4. How it will be? Equation number 3 is a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. Multiply it by 4. How to multiply? 4 into a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4 into 4. Okay, 4 into a is 4a plus 4 into b is 4b is equal to 3 into 4 is 12 upon 4. So 4a plus 4b is equal to 4a plus 4b is equal to 4 ones are 4 threes are. 4a plus 4b is 3. We got a new equation here, which is equation number 5. Why did we multiply it equation number 3 by 4? Because in equation number 3 we had denominator and we needed to remove the denominator. That is the reason we multiplied by number 4. Now we will multiply equation number 4 by 8. Why 8? See, look at this equation number 4. In the denominator, we have 2. Here on the left hand side, a upon 2 minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So if we multiply this equation by 8, we will get simpler equation then. Okay, let's multiply equation 4 by 8. What is equation 4? A upon 2 minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Multiply this by 8. So 8 into a upon 2 minus 8 into b upon 2 is equal to this minus 8. This 8 into minus 1 is minus 8 upon 2 upon 8. Yeah. So 8a upon 2 is 2 ones are 2 fours are. Here it is 4. So a and 4. So this is 4a minus here 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. This is 4b is equal to 8 ones are 8 ones. This is minus 1. Don't forget the minus sign. Mark this as equation number 6. We got a new equation here. So we have this equation number 5, which is 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. And here we have 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. So as we need to find value of a and b first, we will add both these equations, both the new equations. Adding equation 5 and equation 6. What is equation 5? 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. What is equation 6? 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Whenever the equations have opposite signs in them, try to first add those equations. It will give you a simple number. So 4a plus 4a is 8a. This plus and this minus will get cancelled. It has same numbers and same variable. Is equal to 3 plus 1, minus 1. 3 plus minus 1, that is 3 and minus 1 is plus into minus is minus. 3 minus 1 is 2. Sign of the bigger number, 3 is positive, so this 2 is positive. Now here 8a is equal to 2. So what will be a? A is equal to 2 upon 8, which is 2 ones are 2 fours are. Therefore a is equal to 1 upon 4. We got a is equal to 1 upon 4. Now put this a is equal to 1 upon 4 in any equation, that is in 5 or 6 in equation. Let's take 5. What is equation 5? 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. What is a? 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 4b, that is equal to 3. So it will be 4 ones are 4 ones are. So this is 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. So 4b is equal to 3. This plus 1 comes to the right hand side. It will become minus 1. 4b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 upon 4. Therefore b is equal to 1 upon 2. Now we have to resubstitute values of a and b. Of a and b. What is a? A is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y that we considered earlier. Now we got value of a as 1 upon 4 is equal to this 3x plus y. What we will do? We will cross multiply here. Okay, 4 into 1 is equal to this 1 into 3x plus y. So 4 ones are 4 is equal to 1 into 3x plus y is 3x plus y. Yeah. Mark this as equation number 7, which is nothing but 3x plus y is equal to 4. Mark this as equation number 7. Now go for b. B is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. So what we got? Value of b. Value of b is 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Cross multiply this now again. 3x minus y into 1. It is 3x minus y into 1, this one is equal to this 1 into 2. 1 into 2. So 3x minus y into 1 is 3x minus y. Anything that we multiply by 1 will give us the same number. 2 into 1 is 2. Mark this as equation number 8. This is becoming a little lengthier, but it is very important to understand how we are going to solve it. Now add equation 7 and 8. Adding this will give us, what is equation number 7? 3x plus y is equal to 4. What is equation number 8? 3x minus y is equal to 2. Add it, we will get 6x plus y, and minus y will get cancelled. 4 plus 2 is 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 6. We get x as 1. We got value of x now. Now we will put x is equal to 1 in any equation. Any means 7 or from 7 or 8, from which we got value of x. Put x is equal to 1 in, let's take equation 7. You can also take equation 8 and you will get the answer. What is equation 7? 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3 into x is 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is 4. When this plus 3 comes to the right hand side, it will become minus 3. So y is 1. So even y is 1. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1 is the solution. In this way, we can solve any equation by resubstituting the values. If you have any questions or any doubts, do comment your questions in the comment box, and I will be able to answer your questions there in the comment box only. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, as you will be able to find more videos related to algebra and geometry on my channel. Thank you.